Hello everybody, Tag with you again, the Aging Gamer with a garden update. An explosive garden update. The garden is exploding, everything's growing, so I wanted to show you guys. It's August 1st and everything is going crazy. My kids are going crazy. Everybody's hyped for this. The garden's just going wild. And hey, speaking of exploding, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Explode this channel with some likes, comments, whatever you can. And then did you know that subscribe button down there, that red one, it is a free subscribe to the channel. I'll give you updates for when we go live, so explode that too. Let's have an explosive video here. All right, enough joking around. Let me show you what's going on in the garden. All right, everybody, here we are. Look at the garden just exploding. Planted way too many cucumbers. That is all cucumbers, holy crap. But look at it all go. Let's zoom in and show you some things. The strawberries, kids are going wild. The strawberries are going wild. Look at those. Getting some new batch of strawberries in. We got an early batch of strawberries in. Now they're starting to cook up again. And this plant has just continued to explode. For those of you that are new to me, this is what we started with last summer. It's just that one in the middle, and it's just done beautifully. And for those of you that don't know how these expand, so strawberries expand with these runners. So you see a couple of them hanging out in the video here. Now what I've done is I just come out when I do my weeding and I look for these, and then you just bury them. You bury the bottom of it, and then it'll get roots going and start a whole new bunch, just like this one here. So for those of you that are looking to grow these, you just get that first plant going, and once it starts sending these runners out, just get burying them, throughout where you want it to grow, and you can kind of guide it as far as how you want it to spread out and go where you want it to. So, I mean, obviously they'll do it on their own as well, but you can just guide it along there also. Then over this way we got our musk melons, just exploding, spreading out everywhere, but doing really well, getting lots of flowering on those. So can't wait to see when those start coming in. Then again, the cucumbers, logistical error on the cucumbers. We were a little heavy, but they're going great. We got some flowering, and we got some of our cucumbers rocking and rolling there. So lots of good stuff happening there as well with the flowering. Cucumbers coming in. We got a few of them back through this jungle of leaf. Then the watermelons starting to spread out as well. First time planting the watermelons, so I'm not really sure entirely what to expect, but it looks like they're doing all right. We got a few flowers, but not nearly the flowering of some of the others. So my guess is they might just flower a little bit later, but we'll find out. Then the carrots are rocking and rolling. Two bunches of carrots there. So you see the center, kind of the center stalk of it, where the carrots are cooking down there in the bottom. And then our corn, our whole row of corn here. We're gonna have a ton of sweet corn. Just about every one of these has at least 2 ears of corn right now, some 3. So they're rocking and rolling. You see these little baby ears back here, and we got some bigger ears of corn out this way that are starting to tassel in the whole bit. So this is looking great. We're gonna have a good old bunch of corn, or whatever the farmer term is for a bunch of corn. Looking good on that regard. Then our tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, rocking and rolling. Sorry about the shadows. Cherry tomatoes are rocking and rolling. I've got two plants going with the cherry tomatoes, looking really good. Rocking and rolling. Those are gonna red up here in no time. And then our big tomatoes, these are rocking and rolling as well. We got our big beef tomatoes, just looking good. Couple of them just about ready to get off there and get into our bellies. So those are looking really nice. Then the pepper plants, to show you that not everything works out beautifully. Look at this poor guy. He gave us this little baby pepper, and that's all he had. So that pepper plant is not viable, but it's next door neighbor here, just rocking and rolling. We got this nice pepper going. Look at that baby, looking good with the pepper there. So really looking nice on that pepper plant, so we can get some good peppers out of that. But there you go, gang. Look at that garden update. give you another viewpoint, another perspective. Thank you for joining me. Again, the Aging Gamer with you. You can call me Tag in the comments or wherever else we communicate. And thanks for joining me. Please, please, please hit that like button. Explode that like button. Let us know that you're out there and enjoying the videos and the content, and we will keep it coming. And you can also be super kind and hit that subscribe button and get those alerts on all of our updates with DIY with Tag. All right, y'all. Take care.